Hey, as decided, we are here to discuss types of logic. I am Dr. Narayani Valavalkar and I am here to explain you homeopathy concepts. So let's start. Types of logic. There are 4 different types of logic like formal logic, informal logic, symbolic logic and mathematical logic. For homeopathic purpose, we will need formal logic. In formal logic, there are 2 types. One, inductive logic and other, deductive logic. Please doctors, remember this word, inductive logic and deductive logic. First of all, we'll start with explanation of inductive logic. Why inductive logic is important? Because this is very frequently asked question that why homeopathy is a concept related to inductive logic. You should explain this while writing an answer that what is inductive logic very first. Inductive logic. In inductive logic, you go to different observations and then you come or land on a specific conclusion. So you are generalizing a concept when you are talking about inductive logic. Very oftenly, your and my mind do the same job. You go to different observations and come to a final conclusion. For example, when you were taking admission for homeopathy, you search for different homeopaths and different doctors related to homeopathy, and then you come to the conclusion that homeopathy is better as a future option for you, right? So you already used inductive logic while you were going or opting for homeopathic stream. Like this way, we have one of the example. For example, you have Jaguar A in front of you, Jaguar B and C. When you have seen all the 3 jaguars, you understood jaguars is having spots on their skin, and your conclusion is jaguar animal is having spots on their skin. Very simple, right? So this is inductive logic where you are generalizing a concept. You are coming to a general conclusion. So or inductive logic is formulated as an inverted triangle where you are conforming to the premise, then you come to the observations, and then you are broadening your concept of generalization. This is very important as per the study purpose and coming to the conclusion purpose. Now, for the inductive logic, we have 4 different tools. Are 1. Exact observation, obviously, because exact observation will lead you to the proper result. Second, correct interpretation. Whatever you are observing, you should interpret or you should understand correctly. Rational explanation means whatever you observe, you should explain it in a proper way. And fourth, scientific conclusion. Obviously, what we already discussed is your conclusion part based on previous 3 tools. So these are 4 different tools used in inductive logic. Now we'll come to the second type of logic, that is deductive logic. Deductive logic is exactly opposite of inductive logic as per it is reverse of inductive logic. How? In deductive logic, from a general premises, you are having a particular observation. Like, for example, you are having mango tree in your garden with very beautiful yellowish and sweet mangoes. So whenever you will look any mango tree around you, you will conclude that all those mango trees must be having yellow colored and sweet mangoes on them. That is a deductive logic. So guys, here we are concluding the topic called logic. Thank you for this time. Next time we'll meet with one of the philosophical topic from Dr. Kane's philosophy, simple substance. See you then.